Students, first year accountancy. In commerce, we are having two parts. The first one is known as the theory part, that is commerce, and the second part is known as accountancy. It's simply called as accounts. It includes both the theory and problems. That means calculation problem, solvation to the problem. Now let us know about the various concepts in accountancy. The first one is known as accounting. Accounting is one of the professions. We are having so many professions like chartered accountancy, teacher, doctor, lecturer. Accounting is one of the profession like other professions. In another way, we can call it as, or accounting is also known as the language of business. Business is nothing but purchasing and selling, or aim of profitization or profit maximization is the main feature of business. So in business we are maintaining some accounts related to that business. So let us know about the uses of accounting. Accounting provides reliable financial information to interested parties. So the parties, those who are having interest in business field or accounting field, to take it as a profession, the accounts or accounting provides reliable financial information to the interested parties. So in another way, it is also called as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money transactions and events which in part or at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Accountancy is academic knowledge in practice. It is an art. It is not a science. It is an art. It is a skill. So we should know the first concept, which is known as accounting. So it is a profession. So accounting is nothing but the language of business. The uses of accounting is it reveals the reliable financial information to the parties, those who are having interest. It is the art of recording. Accounting is the art of recording, not only recording. There is a classification and a summarization in a significant manner. It is a skill. It is a profession. It is an occupation. In terms of money, only economic transactions took part in accounting process. So it is an economic part and financial character, and it is useful for interpretation. So these are all the uses of accounting, which we simply calling as an accounts. The process of accounting is known as the process of accounts is known as accounting. So this is about the accounting definition and the uses. Now let us know the second part, which is known as the bookkeeping. Keeping the book is known as bookkeeping. So maintaining the book is known as bookkeeping. After bookkeeping, it will goes into accounting. Now let us know what is meant by bookkeeping. Keeping a record of business transactions is known as bookkeeping. Keep a book and writing in the book is known as bookkeeping. Mostly it is clerical in nature. So the clerks will do the bookkeeping activities. The art of recording business transaction in a systematic manner is known as bookkeeping. The fourth point, permanent recording is known as bookkeeping. In general, we will forget after a transaction within hours. That's why we keep in books in written form. That is known as bookkeeping. It is useful for permanent record for future, and the bookkeeping is also known as the record of economic transactions. In other words, it is also known as transaction measuring chronological order, classifying steps, maintenance of books and facts. Accounts are known as bookkeeping. So, first of all, the big bookkeeping activity should be done, and then we will follow the accounts or accounting process. So, bookkeeping is the initial stage, it is clerical in nature. All the business activities will record in the book, it is known as bookkeeping. It is an art. The business transaction should be written in a book in a systematic manner. It is useful for permanent record. It is a record of economic transaction. It not only measures, and it will be written in date wise or year wise or time wise or in chronological order. It also includes the classifying steps, maintenance, and it is a routine process. It is nothing but the keeping of transactions in a book. Now let us know the objectives of accounting. Objective means aim or use. So if you maintain accounts, what is the use? That is known as the objectives of accounting. Next one, first one, maintaining accounting records is the first objective of accounting. Calculating the result of operations, we will do many operations in business for making success. So all the operations will be calculated, and the total result will be taken into a form. For knowing the financial position of that particular firm, we should know the accounts and accounting process, and objectives of account is to calculate the result of all the operations or classification of operations. Ascertaining the financial position is the another objective of accounting. It is also useful to send the information to users. Users means those who are having interested, or for interested party, the accounting will communicate, will send the information. It is the communication procedure for knowing the accounts. So these are all the objectives of accounts. Now let us know what is meant by accounting process. In accounting process, three things were included. The first one is known as input. The second one is known as the process, and the third one is known as output. In input, we are having various classifications. In input, business transactions, that is monetary value, included in input process. The second one is known as process. It is nothing but identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, communicating. The third one is known as output. Information, it gives information to the users. So accounting process is nothing but input of business transactions, that is monetary value, Processing, that means identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing.